In today's video, you'll learn how to use the wireless page turner, Tappy, on your BOOX ePaper devices. Before pairing, make sure your Tappy is charged. You can charge it with a 5 volts 2 amps charging adapter and a standard Type-C cable. Slide the power switch to power it on. When the indicator light flashes blue once, the device is powered on. Then long press both buttons simultaneously for about 3 seconds. When the indicator light flashes blue continuously, the Tappy is in pairing mode. Now you can turn on Bluetooth on your BOOX devices. Find BOOX Tappy in the list of available Bluetooth devices and tap to pair. BOOX Tappy has 3 modes. Reading mode is for reading books or articles that require left and right page turns. Browsing mode allows you to scroll down or up to browse the web or read news. Multimedia mode lets you control media playback and skip music tracks. To switch between these modes, simply press and hold both buttons for 5 seconds. When the indicator light flashes green, you'll see a pop-up displaying the current mode at the top of your device. Or, you can switch modes through settings on your BOOX devices. If you have updated your BOOX devices to firmware version 4.2, then you can personalize the key buttons for both reading mode and multimedia mode. You can assign single-click, double-click, or long press actions to trigger specific features, such as full screen refresh, taking a screenshot, or launching any installed app. That's all about using Tappy on BOOX devices. Hope you find this useful.